Boom! Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Z James. This is 300ZX. Wow. Z32 Workshop. Normally, I am working on that car way over there or anything else. And in the last video, the newly acquired Stealth. But this video is for my Dakota guys. I wanted to give them a small update on one of the projects I had to do for the truck to do stuff. The biggest concern I end up having to deal with is I had a really sloppy steering wheel. And it ended up being the steering shaft itself, down at the bottom. Like I said, hopefully a short video, 5 minutes best. Here we go. So this is out of the steering. And let me show you, it's just this piece, mind you, all this other stuff's from other projects. This is down, comes down to the rack. This is right on the steering box right here. And the thing that goes bad is this. See this bar? That thing comes in here and she has a lot of slop. You see this little bit of slop right here? That doesn't look like a lot here, but when it comes to actually doing it on the steering wheel, it turned into almost like a 2-inch gap issue. So what I ended up having to do is this is a roll pin that holds this. Does that one come out right now? And it didn't want to punch out. It took a little bit. I ended up having to center drill this thing to eat the insides out quite a bit, to pop it out, dang it, to get it off, to get this thing to come out. So my response is you use the smallest drill bit you can, you start in it, you just auger it out, eat away, it heats it up, thins the walls out, and then you can punch it out. That's what I was able to do to get this off. That turned into a real problem. The other problem is this guy here did not want to let go. Like this piece here, the swivel, this guy didn't want to go because there's a bolt here with a little clasp. Anyone's doing one will know what I'm talking about. You pull the bolt out, it's fine. The next thing is that the bar that it slips into does not want to come out. So what you do is you put a vice grips, you tighten it on here as much as possible, and you beat it with a hammer until it slides out. Throw some lube on it, some heat, you beat the crap out of it, it falls out. That being said, the solution to fix this, because there's no factory solution anymore, is, bear with me on the video here, going out on the Dakota, is this guy right here, part of the PT Cruiser. Saw it last one, all the work I've done to it. It's a good clean ride for my kids to go to school in. And then the Dakota is, I had to make this guy down here. This is a double D 3/4 inch bar stock. You trim to spot, drill a hole, notch it. Down here is a 27 spline, 3/4 inch I do believe, and a 3/4 inch double D. You make that, you put it together, and you tighten up the stuff and call it good. That there results in a nice steering wheel that is tight now. That being said, on a safety stance is not good because you don't have that collision where it collapses. It's going to now come up. Now this is the bolt area where I was talking about. You had to hit it to pound it out. This U-joint can go bad too at some point. It may be replaced, hopefully it doesn't, but that's where all the slop was at. So that's the video, guys. I know it's super short. I mean, it's almost TikTok style, but I'll throw the links and the stuff I use. I got it all from Amazon or JEGS. And it's worth every bit for guys who run a Dakota with a sloppy steering wheel to tighten it up and do some good. I didn't make a video of me making it because I just wanted to get it done and get going. And hopefully that helps other people to show what's going on. You could actually do, I used a chop saw that I've got at work I could use to cut the bar stock. As good as the steel is, you could probably use an angle grinder. Just take your time and eat your way through it with a cutting wheel. So if anyone has any questions about that, hit me up. I know this is the Z32 Workshop. I started on Z32, but I do a lot of different car stuff because I just wrench on my own junk like I recommend everyone else do. So yeah, please hit that like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be either 300ZX, 3000 or Dodge Stealth, or 3000 GT, depending on how you look at it, or Dakota work. So, all right, take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.